Okay guys, so I have my array of ingredients. I have my meat. I'm going to be using goat meat and stockfish. It's washed already. I have my dry fish, so I'm going to be using croaker dried fish. I also have an ice fish. I still have some ice fish here. It's optional. I just like to throw it in. So I have my ogbono. I have my perewinkle as always. I have crayfish, onion, egusi or melon. I'm using bitter leaf. I also have my array of spice. So this is the spice I'm going to be using. I have onga for soup. I have all-purpose seasoning. I have salt. I have ajinomoto, and I have pepper, and I have no cube. All right. So these are the major ingredients I'm going to be using, and I have palm oil. So let's go right into the cooking process. So I'm going to be cooking my goat meat and the stockfish because both of them actually takes the same time to get cooked. Okay, you can substitute for any other beef of your choice. So I'm going to season with salt, all-purpose seasoning, and a little bit of ajinomoto. So since it's goat meat and not ordinary beef, I'll be adding a little water. This to make it cook properly. So I'll be letting it cook for at least 10 minutes or until I'm sure the goat meat is cooked. So see you in a clean pot. I'm going to be adding my oil. So here's it. If you want the oil, it depends on you how you want it to be. So after bleaching my oil, I'm going to be adding salt into it, and please, you should do this on a low heat. So I'm going to be adding my onion, and stir. So I'm going to be adding my ogbono and stir. Alright, so I'm also going to add my melon and also stir. Okay, so that's the texture. So at this moment, I'm going to be adding in the meat stock from the meat. I'm going to be giving it a stir. So I'm going to close and let it boil. Alright, so you see it's thickened. So now it's time to add water into it. So now you're going to add according to the quantity that you want. Okay? Quantity depends on your choice. So right now I'm going to add my crayfish. So going to add pepper into it. So add as much as you want. Give it a stir. So I'm going to reintroduce the fish into it. And the meat. Give it a stir. And you let it cook for at least 10 minutes.
See.
So after 10 minutes, let me check. Okay. Alright, so the rule to this soup is always stir. You have to always stir. Okay, so if you want it to be thicker, you add more egusi or more ogbono. If you want it to draw more, you add more ogbono. You can see? So I like mine like this. And you know I'm not a fan of thick soup, so this consistency is just perfect for me. So right now I'm going to be adding perewinkle. I'm going to stir. Now you're going to taste for your seasonings. Taste for your salt to make sure it's in the right. So I'm going to be adding my seasoning cube. So I'm cooking with knorr and onga. So I'm going to be adding onga, approximately a teaspoon of onga seasoning. Feel free to use any seasoning of your choice. So perfect. So I'm going to let it cook another 5 minutes. And next I'm going to add my bitter leaf. Cook for 5 more minutes and the soup is ready. Did you see how it looks? So good. It has a flavor of both egusi and ogbono. You can see it's ready. So thank you for watching. Please take out time to go through my other amazing videos. Please like and subscribe, share if you think it's necessary. I always like to read your comments. Please take out time to subscribe. It doesn't cost anything, it's free. Just click on the subscription button. Thank you. Bye for now and see you in my other amazing recipes. Okay guys, can you see the soup? Thank you for watching.